the sexy girls in the club. Up, up, up. You see all the sexy girls in the club. Up, up, up. Oh, girl, I wanna hold you tonight.
POV.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's not really morning. It's 12:24, and I've been up for about 30 minutes now. If you see any eye boogers, like, just ignore it. I just woke up. And I was just watching YouTube. Today is Sunday. This week has been the week of the snowstorm. So everything is like chill, and I've been at home, and instead of being at the center, I've been doing home cases with my clients. Yeah, I just want you to spend today with me. I think I only have one thing planned today, but that's like way later in the day. But I want you guys to come with me. Yeah. Because why not? You know? You know? You know? You know? Yeah. So I'm going to get up now, get myself together. Oh, so I was just scrolling. One thing I like to do, like, immediately I wake up, is to check my Gmail, because you never know, it could be a millionaire in my email talking about, oh, I really like the way that you carry yourself. Here is $1 million, you know? So I was in there. I was on my Gmail this morning, only for me. Today is February 1st. I received an email from YouVersion, and it's saying that because it's a new month, let me just show you. Because it's a new month, they have like plans, like new plans for just 21 days, and I picked this one that says renew your mind. So I'm going to start doing that today. I'm going to start with, hold on. So yeah, I'm going to start with this today, and hopefully I'm able to like be consistent with it. And even if I'm not, wait, how many days is in this month? Because February doesn't follow what everyone follows. Today you're 28, tomorrow you're 29. Oh, for this month it's 28. I mean, for this year it's 28. So yeah, I'm going to be doing this for 21 days. I'll see you guys again when I'm getting myself ready. Bye.
If I'm moved too quick, that's you, I would think it's my affection. Things cold, she's close enough. Who could tell every time we touch, every time we up? Wish you could feel me, you could pull me. One bedroom, where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted.
I'm back. I just got out of the shower, and I just want to show you guys new stuff that I got this week, as far as my body care routine, and as far as just random stuff that I got off of Amazon that I'm going to be needing. Your girl is back. I'm done getting ready, and about what I was talking about, I want to show you guys the stuff that I got recently this week from Amazon, and just like a few stuff from Shein. But first, I'm going to start off with this necklace that I have on. I got this from Kate Spade, and I got this because I really want to be intentional this year about me, about taking myself out on dates, and also about gifting myself stuff, because I can go the whole year like focusing on responsibilities and schoolwork and work and family and stuff like that, forgetting and totally neglecting myself. And I'm not trying to do that this year. I'm trying to change that this year. So yeah, I got this from Kate Spade. Like I already said, it's very dainty, it's very cute. My client saw it and he was like, look, that's Minnie. I was like, yeah, I know, that's Minnie Mouse. Yeah, it's super cute, super duper duper cute. The next thing I got is from Shein. I got this set of 3 bras. They're just bras because I'm kind of, and I feel like it didn't just start now. I'm not really a fan of bras. I don't really like to wear bras. I don't. And this is like, it doesn't have the wire. It's wireless. It's more like a bralette. And I just want to, you know, like get into that, so I don't always have to dread wearing bras, because I can't, me personally, I can't be at work without a bra, you know. So yeah, I got these from Shein. I can't remember the price, but yeah, this is what they look like. It's like much smaller in the back, and this, oh, this is what it looks like in the front. I haven't tried it on, but I'm going to, but not right now. Yeah, so it's in black, this hot pink, and this soft pink. The next thing I got from Shein was this set of, it's this set of slouch socks, I think it's called, like the ones that go up and then you can like bring them down and then they look like rolled up in a way. Maybe I'll insert a picture, but I feel like you already get what I'm talking about. So yeah, it came in a set of 3, and I really got these for the gym. I told my sister about that, and she said, but why would I want to wear like cute socks to the gym? But why not? Something that I got from Amazon is this running shoe, because it's just running shoes. This is what like the older ladies wear around, because I'm not going to wear my Asics in the gym, especially with the kind of workouts that I do. Like I really have to like bend my foot in a certain way, and I feel like it's going to mess up my Asics, and I'm not doing that. So I bought these from Amazon. They were not really expensive, and also I bought them because I started wearing Crocs to the gym, and then this guy at the gym was like, you can't do this, you can't wear this, it's going to be a liability. All I heard him say was liability, and that I can't wear it, and I was like, okay, fine. And ever since then I haven't been to the gym. And another reason why I haven't been to the gym is because I feel like I don't have gym clothes, and yeah, plus he also said that, and I just haven't been there, and it's been 2 weeks. So yeah, that's why I got those. And for the clothes, I'm waiting for them to come. They were supposed to come with the bras and the socks, but they're not here yet. But I'm waiting for them from Shein as well. I almost forgot. I got these cuties from Amazon also, and I'm yet to put them on. But these are soft gel press-ons. Something I haven't mentioned is that lately I've been wanting to gain more weight / maintaining the weight that I'm at right now, and so I have been drinking like a lot of protein drinks. It's so cold right now. I've been drinking lots of protein drinks. Usually I get them from Whole Foods. I hope you guys can hear me. Usually I get them from Whole Foods, but Whole Foods, it takes like a whole train to get to Whole Foods. So I'm checking like my local deli and like grocery stores to see if they have protein drinks. So I'm in a local grocery store right now, and we'll see. And can't jollof now. On the greens. Also, my sister's making jollof today, so we're buying like ingredients for the jollof. She's right here. She's right. Mejai.
I know they buy ingredients for the love, y'all. We also pay anything to one another.
It's the end toy. And then beef.
We are sure.
Malam. Mempe. What's today?
Lettuce.
Mempe lettuce. Be a fan. I can green pepper. I be red pepper. Say yellow peppers, no. Now what you're trying to small. Now they are fine. Every man a colorful jollof.
But nutrients be added because it's not one area.
Internet, now they are fried.
Nutrients no.
And flying go baby.
We're at 329.
I'm going to try that. I am here now. Adiani. Cream parfait. Great. Oikos. Just another song area hano.
What's happening right now? And now what can you say?
And say you found one of white one. I mean white one is 10 grams now. I'm better 20 grams. But I'm only strawberry banana for 20 grams there. Me who be that? Alright, me who never have. Yeah, anytime I have from money. Great. They don't have any of the oils because I haven't tried that brand before. Usually what I get is Chobani or yeah, just Chobani, and that's what they have. What they have I already have at home, so yeah. Right now we're at the meat section and my sister's trying to find something for the jollof, but she doesn't want to appear on the camera, so Muntie. Okay.
You did it. If I see my face in your video.
One thing you guys don't know is that my sister is a chef. Like she's a chef. She knows how to cook. I'm marrying her so I can eat good food for the rest of my life. Amen. I haven't gotten back to you in like a good 2 hours, and that's because I have been editing this video, and at the same time I have been at the same time I have been making my thumbnail for this video. I like the way that it looks so far. And I haven't tried this style before. I saw this kind of thumbnail on this girl's video that I've been watching. I was like, let me try it. So I did, and I'm happy that I've been really consistent today as far as this video, as far as like filming and then immediately editing it so it doesn't take like days, because usually it doesn't take days, it takes like a whole month for me to finish editing one video. Like as I talk as I speak to you right now, I have, look, this is the current video. This is a video I've had for like 3 weeks now, and I've had this video for like 2 months now or more. Wait, let me see. Okay, I can't tell when I uploaded it, but I've had it for months, like seriously. So yeah, I'm happy with the progress of this video, and I might just get it out today and not like tomorrow or next week or next 3 months like I usually do. So yeah. Oh, and also my sister sent the food. She just gave it to me. I'm so happy. Look, this is what, hold on, this is what it looks like. I can't wait to dig in. After my food, after editing, after uploading the video, I don't know if I'm going to do some schoolwork. I don't think so. I might just watch a movie and call it a night. Tomorrow I have my afternoon free. Tomorrow's Monday. As far as I know right now, I have my afternoon free tomorrow. I might just do my reading assignment tomorrow. And yeah, start on, because I have an essay next week, which is the 5th week of the semester. But this 4th week, I have like a simple assignment that I can finish in like 3 hours. So I might work on that tonight or tomorrow. But it looks like I'm signing out of the vlog now. There's nothing more to do. There's nothing more to show. I'm going to eat my food and do either the assignment due this week or the one due next week, which is longer than the one due this week. I don't know. But there's nothing more to show, like I said. I mean, nothing more to do apart from what I said. So I might as well just end the video right now. Thank you for watching, if you watched this far. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.